So when you're further away, you don't necessarily feel that. That's what the blade size will do.
Well, we have the two on each end. So it's been pretty comfortable.
Yeah, if you're comfortable, then that's fine. Stick with it.
Yeah.
It's all about the comfort, right?
Oh, yeah. And it was that 3 speeds?
6.
6 speeds.
So your motors have changed since you last shopped for
Yeah, it's
fans.
been a while.
These are DC motors. Your DC motors
You hear
are
that?
a lot more variations to it. It's going to have a remote control, and you need to control it with the remote, not a switch on the wall.
See, I don't want a remote.
You don't have an option. It's a
Oh,
DC
no.
motor, so there's no chain pull, right?
Okay, yeah. No, we have it at the switch on the wall.
So the only fan you can use is anything with a chain, then, if that's what you want to use.
Yeah, I don't want a remote. We've got enough remotes with the TVs. And
Yeah, that's unfortunately that's what the fans are going to. Is everything's
Yeah,
going to be
I don't want a remote. You need a remote to turn it on and off.
on, off, and speeds. Right.
Okay, so we have to go with something with a chain.
Anything with a chain.
We don't even use the chain. We just use.
Use the switch, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, that's fine. Anything with the chain pull is
Well,
what
the
you
chain pull is to adjust the
speeds.
speeds. Yeah. Yeah, I don't want any, I have so, we have so many remotes now for different things in the room. So it's good to know that we have to go with a chain pull. Talk about a propeller. That looks like a propeller. And anything that's dark and heavy looking, you know. This one here. Two full fireworks. It's one of the ways to go back it up there. Now, does this come in a 52?
It does.
Okay, now when it comes in a 52, do you have to have the 5 blades?
Yeah, you have no choice.
That's a lot of blades. Cause I gotta get up there and wipe them off and everything.
It's all aesthetics. Yeah, you can't change it to a 4.
Okay.
It'll be unbalanced.
Yeah, I could understand that. I just thought I would ask.
Sure, of course.